Scott O'Neill, president of MarketSmith. What is your outlook for the market for the rest of 2011?
Well, to be honest, I'm not sure. I think we're in no man's land right now. Add a sandstorm in there and it's very difficult to see. In the end, it will come out in the charts. I have a slightly negative bias. I'm slightly short and I have a small amount of longs, 22% short, 8% long, but I'm small because I don't know.
So if you are advising a lot of your clients and your traders to be defensive, what stocks should they be in?
Well, first of all, I say right away, cash is a position. Okay, yeah, cash isn't making any money, but you're also not going backwards, and there's so much risk. Your risk reward right now is really, it's terrible. But if you have to be in, you're a professional that has to be in classic defensive stocks, nothing new there. It's the tobaccos, the utilities, the food stocks, and I would have as much cash on hand as possible.
What about gold as a defensive play?
Well, I'm not a gold guy, and it's been very volatile. You've had quite a nice run, and it may need to come in a little bit. To be honest, I can't comment on gold. It's all over the place.
Any other areas where you think investors or traders should avoid, where either it looks too toppy or it's just too volatile right now?
Well, yeah, that's a great question, because a lot of the great growth stories have been going since March of '09. And so you're late in the cycle with those stocks. And so how many times can you go back to Chipotle, into Green Mountain, into Apple and Baidu before they finally need to start coming down? I do think the overall trends are slightly more negative on the indexes. And, you know, it'll come out in the charts. And so if the charts start to look more positive, price and volume, then I change my position and I start going long more. But right now, it's defense.
And what are your clients telling you about the economy? Is your slightly negative stance a result of what your people are telling you?
Yes, definitely. And what you see. I mean, name one good thing that's going on internationally, or one positive thing going on domestically. And so we're so news-oriented in the market, you get hit, you get blindsided if you're in too deep, and there's just too much negativity in the news. You need to take some of these problems, the structural problems in countries internationally or domestically, get them off the table. And then maybe we can set up for a sustained rally.
But right now it's time to play defense.
Big time.
Thanks a lot.
You bet.